In this video, I will be showing you how to troubleshoot and understand sharing errors within NotebookLM. I'll begin on the home page where I can see all of my featured and recent notebooks. I'm going to scroll down and select my notebook titled NotebookLM Management, so we can look at the internal sharing permissions and see why others might be having trouble accessing it. Once the notebook opens up and the sources are loaded, I'll navigate to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Share button. In the pop-up menu, I can see that the notebook access is currently set to restricted, meaning only people with added access can open it. While I can click this drop-down and change the setting to anyone with a link, users often find that their colleagues still encounter errors when trying to open the file. To understand the root cause of this sharing issue, I've pulled up a relevant thread in the Google Gemini Apps help community regarding sharing between personal accounts and organizational or work accounts. As I scroll down to the recommended answer, it highlights a critical rule. You can generally only share notebooks within the same domain. This means that if I am using a personal Gmail account, the person I am sharing the notebook with should also use a personal Gmail account to ensure it opens correctly. If I am trying to share with a coworker who is using a professional business account, we both need to be part of the same enterprise workspace domain. If you are running into a sharing error, the best solution is to ensure both users are on the same domain, or simply create the notebook directly within the workspace account you intend to use for your professional collaboration. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.